Hello, Assalamu alaikum friends. Welcome back to my new tutorial of our Simatic Manager Step 7. So in this video we are going to discuss about the comparator. In the previous video we are going to discuss integer comparators. Now I am going to use a real comparators which is in the floating point. So now let's see what is going to do. I am just using the test there. You will see I am changing that value to real. So you will see our symbols is now real, which is MD30 and in the real. Now I'm going to delete one. Now what is I'm going to enter? I'm going to enter 520.0 like that. So you will see that in the below I am going to use a not equal to like there, and I am going to use a 520.0 tab there and the test as a simple. Like that I am going to delete that bottom also, and I am going to also change that the test is there, which is our slider decimal. I am going to change it to real. Now you will see, and I am going to save that one also and download into my PLC sim like that, and I am going to make that one to online. And now you will see that I am going to again be putting that one, and I am going to change that the representation into decimals. The below one we are also going to use as a decimal there. Now you will see our fill valve is active. Now I am going to use the slider there. And I am just using to copy that one like that, and I am going to increase that one. So let's see. I think that's not gonna work because it is the real values and reals have the different things. We are not easy to use the reals, but I am going to change that to the greater than and the less than like that. We will test there, but these are the same things. So let's see, greater than real and the less than like that one. Copy there, paste it there, and the test as the same that there like that, and delete that one and download into my PLC sim, and again I am going to make it online. So now we see that there it is overflow, and I think our discharge valve is active. That's it good. You will see that because our level is reaches, because it is reaches that one. What if I am going to make it the less than? So now you will see our full valve is active, but now I am going to activate the discharge valve. So let's see our discharge valve is going to work, and our level need to low. Oh sorry, I am going to forget that the push one like that. Now you will see our level is going down. But if I am going to make it greater, then you will see our full valve will be active like that. You will see, now you will see that the fill valve will be active. But what if I am going to below down? Now you will see that discharge valve will be active like that. So that's it's greater than DL and less than DL, and I am also going to change that one to greater than equal to and less than equal to, like that. Also I'm going to copy that one and paste it there, copy that one and paste it there, and I'm going to go down and using the less one then, like that. And again I'm going to delete that one. Now again I'm going to download into my PLC and again going online. So that's are the same working, but equal to is because if the values is equal to, then it will also work. But I am going to move that pose. Now you will see our discharge values is working. You will see that. If I am going to make it greater than, so you will see. Now you will see our fill valve will be active. And if I am going to see that start value, fill valve, discharge valve, fill valve. So equal to is using because equal to is because equal to helps us if the value is some bigger. In any case we accept some bigger value or some lower value, but it is equal, almost equal to, then our logics are gonna work in Simatic Manager. So I think that's it. Thank you very much for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel, like my video and click the bell icons, and don't forget to subscribe. So thank you very much.